Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Whousewe 108 LED solar landscape lights. These come as a 2-pack, and you'll see one right here. This is how I've used them. I've used them as landscape lights, but I like the fact that you can keep them low profile if you want. They also include stands. They put out a lot of light. They've been great now for about 2 months. I didn't want to just do a review like 1 week later. I wanted to see how they'd really last. In the box, you get 2 lights. You get some stands right here. You also get some mounting. You can mount them to a wall if you'd like to. That's again why I like these. They're low profile, and they also have knobs so that way you can adjust them when they're either on little pedestals like this, like I use them. And this is actually an extra one, so they even give you extra parts in case you have a problem. Extra screws as well. But you can mount them to a wall, low profile, or stake them in the ground. Really easy to put together. Again, here are the screw holes. You just mount that to a wall, and then you can just have them go out from the wall if you like, or you use the hole below it and you could stake it like that, or you could extend the staking by doing that and that, so they can go even taller. So they give you lots of options here on how to mount them. Again, I wanted low profile, so that way I could light up the landscape on the front yard, and there's not much distance between the sidewalk here and the plants I want to light, so that low profile is going to help me, and it has for the past 2 months. None of the LEDs have burned out in the last 2 months. The 2 different heights there, you can push this down more if you wanted to, and that's what you can do for different heights based on your landscaping needs. Little reflectors in the front, they throw the light out really well. Directions tell you your options here. You can insert them in the ground, just bury them. That's kind of what I do. You could also wall mount them. Again, the clearance there over the solar panel might be a little awkward. Not planning on mounting them to a wall, so that's not a problem for me. And again, they have 4 different lighting modes. They have a dim bright mode, which is press the power button once. Power button, by the way, is just underneath there. If you see that little bump there, that's the power button. So if you push that once, the landscape light will be charged in the daytime without lighting up. It'll emit dim light automatically in darkness or at night. Medium bright mode is press the power button 2 times, so 2 total times. The landscape light will be charged in daytime without lighting up and emit medium light automatically in darkness or at night. And here's the mode I use, which is high bright mode. On the basis of medium bright mode, you push the power button again, so 3 total times. Landscape will be charged in the daytime without lighting up and emit high light automatically in darkness or night. And again, they've lasted all night long. I haven't had any problems with them. What I found interesting was this gradual breathing mode. So it's on the basis of the high bright mode. Press the power button for the 4th time. The landscape will be charged in the daytime without lighting up and emit breathing light. So it must like pulsate. If you push the power button again, it just turns it off, and that's probably the best way to do it because they say to give it 1 to 2 days of sunlight before use. And that's about it for the directions. There's really nothing else to really go over. We'll take a look at what these solar lights look like at night. Now you probably can't see this, but it is downpouring here. We're in the middle of a thunderstorm, and the light is still working great. No problemo. Wicked bright. And lights up a lot here, so we're doing well. And likewise on this side, in the same storm, being totally drenched right now, and yet still working great. Got knocked over a little bit in the wind even, but lighting up the landscaping just great. Overall, the Whousewe solar landscape spotlights have been great. They've held up. We're here a couple weeks later. We've done a lot more landscaping, and everything looks pretty good. Overall, though, they are excellent, and I do recommend you buy them. If you'd like to purchase the Whousewe solar landscape spotlights, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. I appreciate all the support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.